Hi everyone, welcome back to the quiz. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your computer is stuck in the airplane mode and your Wi-Fi is completely grayed out and not working. So let's get started. The first thing you should do is look for a physical Wi-Fi button or switch on the side or front of your laptop. If your laptop has one, make sure it's toggled to the on position. If it doesn't have a physical switch, try using a keyboard shortcut. Press and hold the function key or Fn on your keyboard and press the F key that has the Wi-Fi or airplane icon on it. If you don't see that icon on any of your F keys, try pressing the Fn plus the print screen together. On many laptops, this will instantly force the airplane mode to turn off. And if that doesn't work, let's move on to the next method. Let's right click on the Windows Start icon and select Run. Type MSConfig into the box and press enter. This will open the system configuration window. Under the General tab, make sure Normal Startup is selected. Then click Apply, then OK. And restart your laptop. Sometimes Windows disable wireless communication services during a selective boot, and changing this back will fix the issue. If the issue is still not resolved, our final solution is to perform a hardware power flush. Let's go ahead and unplug all the cables and accessories from your laptop, including the charger. If your laptop has a removable battery, go ahead and remove it. Press and hold the power button for 24 to 30 seconds. This will fully drain all static energy from your motherboard and reset the network chip. Once done, plug everything back in and turn on your PC, and your Wi-Fi should be back to normal. Let me know which solution worked for you in the comments below, and as always, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, bye for now.